you, 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 girl, you know what I'm saying.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick show and tell on a unit that I have from SVT Hair. It is an Aliepress hair vendor, and right now I'm showing you a quick unboxing so you guys can see exactly how the hair comes in case you decide to look into purchasing this unit. This is a 13x4 frontal unit, and it does come pre-plucked. However, I did go in and customize it further to my liking. The density is 150%. This is just a quick clip of me showing you guys that I did go in and bleach the knots to my liking. I also went in with my Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray. This helped me make the lace tint more to my skin complexion because the lace is definitely on the light side. Right here is just a clip of me styling the hair off of my head because it definitely helps in the colder weather to style your curly wigs the night before. So that way when you go ahead to adhere it to your head the next day, you don't have to put too much water or conditioner or anything on it. And it's easier to put your wig on and be ready to go. An important step that you want to do with your curly hair is you want to go ahead, once you add whatever product you use to enhance your curls, you want to scrunch up those curls, and that will help the curls form and they just get really voluminous and gorgeous. Since I did the elastic band method with this wig, it fit snug to my head. I mean, just perfectly. So the only thing I'm going to do to reinforce the hold of this unit is mold my baby hairs down. As you guys can see, I'm using the flat iron, not the flat iron, but the pressing comb just to melt everything in a little bit more seamlessly. And now I'm gonna just make some baby hairs. The baby hairs kind of already come in the unit, but they're pretty long, so I'm customizing them to my liking, and I'm swooping them a little bit, you know, nothing too dramatic, but I'm making it look as natural as I possibly can. Once I'm done molding my baby hairs, I like to go in with any mousse that I have on hand, which helps the lace melt into my skin a little bit more seamlessly. And to, you know, pop it off some more, I take a satin scarf and I just further reinforce the melt. And everything came out really nicely. You guys, let's get into this bleach game that I did to this hair because we cannot gloss over that. Let me know how you like the custom color that I created with this wig. I think it came out exactly how my vision was, and I'm proud of that. Yes, I love this wig. I have been wearing this wig for about I want to say like 5 or 6 days now, and it's very low maintenance for it to be a curly unit. The only thing that I need to do is spritz a little bit of water on it in the morning, and sometimes I may go in with a little aloe vera gel to make the curls pop a little bit more, and I'm out the door. Let me know how you feel about this hair. I'll have all the information to SVT Hair in my description box. I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel today. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.